Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to install JDK on Windows quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Download JDK. Open Google Chrome or any browser. Search for JDK Download and click on the official Oracle link. Scroll down and find the latest JDK version. We're downloading JDK 21 because it has long-term support. Scroll further down, choose the Windows version and click Download. Step 2. Install JDK. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer to start the setup. Click Next, then Next again, and finally install. Once it's done, click Close. Step 3. Verify installation. Open Command Prompt from the search bar. Type Java version and hit Enter. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the installed Java version displayed. And that's it. Now you have JDK installed on your system. Like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.